How to get rid of headaches fast. Headaches are one such problem. People of every age group get headaches every so often. They are able to cause intolerable pain together with nausea and, at times, vomiting. Common reasons for headaches include stress, tension, trouble sleeping, sinus problems, migraines, insomnia and lack of fluids. Lots of people achieve for more thanthecounter medicines to get rid of their headaches. However, you will get instant pain relief with a couple simple and easy, home cures. For instance, lightly pressing the webbed area involving the thumb and pointer finger for 1 minute might help ease your headache. Repeat in your other hands too. Apple. Whenever you awaken each morning having a headache, eat a bit of apple sprinkled with a few salt. Then drink some warm water. Alternatively, fill a sizable bowl with steaming warm water and add 3 or 4 teaspoons ACV into it. Hold a towel over your head and eat the steam for 10 to 15 minutes. An alternative choice would be to add 2 teaspoons of some ACV to glass water. You may also give a little honey and fresh lemon juice. Drink it 2 or 3 times each day. Water. Simply drink a glass water in the first manifestation of headaches and continue taking small sips during the day. Together with water, you could have sports drinks. The electrolytes contained in sports drinks can treat headaches brought on by tension and lack of fluids. Cinnamon. Grind some cinnamon sticks right into a powder. Then add water to create a thick paste. Put it on in your forehead and temples and lie lower for half an hour. Wash it by warm water.